of you in today's small video. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary has been news. Now, this Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, where it is in Assam. So let's understand. I am Pramod Singh. I'm the mentor of ISH. Now, Assam government has decided to upgrade the Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary into a national park. So it has been news because this is currently a wildlife sanctuary, जिसको national park में upgrade कर दिया गया है. The announcement comes just after National Board of Wildlife gave conditional clearance to coal mining project by Coal India Limited in the Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve. So this is Dehing Patkai area, you can see in the map. So it is close to the border of Arunachal Pradesh, and it is in the Assam right now. So it is very important for prelims point of view. Remember, the national park, its importance will increase, and new rules will bring increased vigilance to the area. While the first proposal to accord national park status to the origin dates back 1995, Dehing Patkai was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 2004. So what is the difference between wildlife sanctuary and what is a national park? Now, wildlife sanctuary is mainly about preserving the wildlife, but when it converts it to a national park, the benefit will be more, and there will be higher degree of protection of flora and fauna in that area. Yani wo protected region hoga, the movement will be restricted, and it has a higher degree of security. So central government or government of India will control national parks, where a wildlife sanctuary are mostly controlled by the various respective state government. So Dehing Patkai, the location and the name is important. Now let's go and understand the details. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is located within the larger Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve. Now this is an important fact, which spreads across the coal and oil-rich district of Upper Assam, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. The wildlife sanctuary is also known as Jaipur Rainforest. Now remember, Jaipur, all these small little facts are very important for prelims. Remember, environment ecology, you will get mostly the current affair question. Dehing is the name of the river that flows through the rainforest, and Patkai is the hill at the foot of which the sanctuary lies. So Dehing is the river which flows through the forest, and Patkai is the hill. The oldest refinery of Asia, Digboy and open cast coal mining Lido are located near the sanctuary. So here you can also find the refinery, oil refinery in the nearby the wildlife sanctuary. It is famous for Assam Valley tropical wet forest bordering Arunachal Pradesh. So there is a tropical wet evergreen forest, which means it is a region for very high rainfall. Remember. Now we'll also discuss about the flora and fauna. The rare fauna is found include Chinese pangolin, flying fox, wild pig, sambar, barking dog, gaur, sero, Malayan giant squirrels. It is the only sanctuary in India which is home to 7 different species of wild cats. Okay, so you can see the wild cat, jungle cat, marble cat. Assamese macaw, a primate in the forest, is in the red list of near threatened species. It is the highest concentration of the rare endangered white-winged duck. So these are the important ones. Remember, whenever you come across a news of so many items, make a list of them, and you can also check whether in the IUCN list they come under threatened category or endangered or critically endangered, because you can get direct questions in the prelims. Now this is about fauna, that is animal life, and now flora, that means flower life. It is a deciduous rainforest interspersed by semi-evergreen and lush green flora. Okay, so that is it is a evergreen forest is also there, deciduous is also there, semi-evergreen is also there. So it is a mix of, you can say, various vegetations. 6th national park. So it is a 6th national park post upgradation. So there are other 5: the Kaziranga, Nameri, Manas, Dibru-Sikawa, and Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. So this is about the Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, and I'm again repeating these. It is very important from a prelims point of view. Do read it properly. One more thing, guys, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can see the videos. And we also have an online classes that is going on right now. It is a comprehensive prelims for mains course. There's a team of 15 people who are taking the classes for different areas. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and on the Instagram and other areas. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and patience. Take care. Bye.